Okay, next up, first identify whether it's arithmetic or geometric. So it doesn't look like we're adding the same thing each time, because if we were, I add 40 here, that doesn't give me the same thing here. So we're not adding the same thing both time or every time. I did multiply 10 by 5 to get 50. If I multiply 50 by 5, I get 250. And if I multiply 250 by 5, I get 1250. So that gives us a geometric sequence. Our zero term happens when we go backwards one more. So instead of multiplying by 5, I have to divide 10 by 5, and that gives me 2. So my zero term is 2. My sequence generator is multiplying by 5. So T of n, because it's geometric, we're going to have, remember, it's y equals a times r to the x, if we think about it in terms of exponential equation. So we have T of n equals, a is our zero value, so 2 times 5 to the n power.